having Chinese food. I have some fried shrimp and shrimp fried rice. You must have ate my rice. Mine, one of them had onions and one of them didn't. Let me see.
That's probably, yeah, you probably got mine.
Yup, we got all the stuff in here.
That's good, that's even better. You ain't the only one eating it. YouTubers too. They probably want onion and veggie.
Alright, so I'm going to start off with a prayer. And then I'm going to dig in. Amen. And amen again. And Nasir, when you done your food here, let me show y'all what I got. Let me do a thumbnail. Okay. Got me some ketchup. That one I got some chicken wings too. The other chicken wings. Get some.
You don't want no drum?
No, I'm fine.
I'm sorry you don't want drum.
Not right now, Mark. I probably, if I get home, I'm gonna be too full. This is ketchup. And they got a little hot sauce that they make. Dip these shrimp in.
Oh, wait, this chicken hot.
Is it? All right, get you a plate. Oh, you got it already? There's some, take some chicken out of there, that white thing. And then the rice is inside of the bag. Good gosh, shrimp. I'm gonna put some sauce on it. What, you asleep? Mama is too tired.
I don't know why.
Look at that chicken. Probably tired from watching her shows. I ain't gonna lie, I was sitting there watching TV. I was about to fall out. Oh, you know what? My show stuff came back on. My show came back on. Let me see on that. What's on there? Sisters by Tyler Perry. I think like 27 came back on. I gotta watch that one. Help me, you need some napkins out of there. Thank you.
You so late. That came on Thursday night.
Yeah, but I missed it. I didn't watch it. Oh, I got bubbly. Grapefruit and bubbly. I'm gonna do a video in a couple of days, y'all. Although we've been eating good, I had family over and, you know, I just wasn't ready to do no recording. Give y'all some more. I thought I was gonna cook tonight. I had took chicken out and everything.
What's more?
Oh yeah, I'll cook it tomorrow, you're right. I never grabbed the remote. You know I got a remote to this thing, the tripod. Are you up? You ready to eat? Or you not hungry yet? Not yet? Because we eat all spaghetti.
That's right, she did eat right before lunch.
Mm-hmm. And this was going to be ready to eat once you brought the food back. And she was like, I want some spaghetti. Oh, excuse me. Only thing about Chinese food, when you eat it, it's like you burp and then you'll be hungry again later. Always. When I was a kid, I ate so much Chinese food, I felt like I was sick. I couldn't eat it for a month. I usually order shrimp and broccoli with the rice, but this restaurant, this Chinese restaurant we went to, he went and got food from. They don't make theirs the same way. I eat it. It's got a whole different taste. Like, I'm gonna get full fast from him. And I eat nothing all day long. First time eating today. Let me get some of this shrimp fried rice. You full? You full now?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know how I'm gonna make chicken tomorrow. I really don't know. If fried, barbecue. You know, I figured something out. That's so good. Got this from Venus. That's the name of the Chinese place. I usually go to Fu Ming Lane, but their shrimp don't have nothing on Venus shrimp. They're fried shrimp.
And I said I didn't eat all my chicken. You want some of my chicken?
At all.
You right here. A couple shrimps. You want this too? Yeah, I wanted it, but
That was the candy bar you was complaining about?
Nah, the candy bar that I was complaining about was the Almond Joy.
Hmm.
And I bought that because I didn't see that Almond Joy. Now I don't even want it.
Oh, excuse me.
I'm not trying to eat like I'm still trying to work out. I can work out at 6 o'clock. I'm thinking about riding around in my golf cart.
For real?
Yeah, before it get dark. I want to ride that bitch for the past week.
I'm watching you out the window. I can't go out there. Let's go. My birthday was Thursday. No, I was gonna do a birthday video, but told y'all I wasn't really in the mood to record. Bull, how time flies. I think that's why I'm gonna get full instead of drinking this bubbly. Killing it. Today I watched that movie. What was the movie called? The Little Things. By Denzel Washington. It was so. I mean, like in the beginning, you'd be like, all in. Then at the end, you really can't figure out. Some of y'all might have seen it. Figure out what was going on. Because you still, matter of fact, when you watch it, you still ain't gonna figure it out. You're gonna have to really catch on. I don't know who was the killer.
The fuck is Cranch?
Ketchup and ranch together. That's the sauce, ranch. Oh, that's what he was eating? Pop, for your chicken? It's actually good. Mm-hmm. Alright, y'all, I'm back. My camera had shut off on me. I got too much on my phone because that's what I'm recording from. I have to get rid of some stuff. Y'all want another shrimp? Wrap sauce?
Oh, wait.
Y'all getting full. So I think I'm going to end this video. It wasn't a long video. I had much to talk about. I'm going to end this video and watch my show Sisters. and lay back and relax. That's what I'm about to do. So I'm gonna end this video with it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on those post notifications so you will know when my next video upload. Until then, see ya.